This video is going to show you how to create a simple foot plate for your patient with foot drop. First, you'll need a blank sheet of computer paper and either a pen or a marker. You'll want to broadly outline the patient's foot in a flip-flop-like design. Ensure that you have all your materials to create the foot plate. Use the scissors to cut out the pattern. Next, trace the pattern on a piece of thermoplast with the red marker. The thermoplast piece should be large enough for the pattern and additional space for the metatarsal bar. Use the box cutter if needed. Place the thermoplast in the splint pan and allow it to sit for a few minutes or until the thermoplast can be cut. Be sure that the machine stays on low and you don't allow the thermoplast to get too floppy, as this will make it more difficult to work with. Remove the thermoplast and cut your metatarsal bar first with the excess thermoplast and then set it aside. Cut your pattern out of the thermoplast. Smooth the thermoplast with caution to not cause any additional fingerprints or smudges in the pattern. Place the pattern flat and spray the front and the back of the pattern with cold spray to set it. Next, grab the blue foam padding and cut in the shape of the pattern. Cut any additional excess blue foam to create smooth edges and proper alignment. Peel the sticker off the blue foam padding and stick to the footplate pattern. If you still have additional excess blue foam, you can cut it here to ensure that you have smooth edges and a proper alignment. Place the metatarsal bar back into the splint pan for a few minutes or until you're able to bend the thermoplast. While the metatarsal bar is heating, place a small amount of glue on the pattern where the metatarsal bar will stick. Then you'll want to remove the metatarsal bar and apply to the footplate. Attach the D-rings to the ends of the metatarsal bar. There are 3 sizes of the D-rings. It's recommended to use the medium-sized D-rings and ensure that the rounded edges are facing towards the blue foam. Cut excess thermoplast on the ends. You'll just want enough so that you can fold it over on itself. Place a small amount of glue on the metatarsal bar and fold the ends over and attach to the thermoplast. Use the cold spray one more time to set the metatarsal bar. Lastly, cut the TheraBand approximately arm's length from fingertip to fingertip to allow for adjustment if needed. Thread the TheraBand through the D-rings and adjust it to ensure that the ends are even. Next, we'll talk about how to actually put the foot plate on your patient's foot. You'll want to line the foot plate up to the patient's foot and ensure that the patient's foot is not falling into inversion upon application. Gently pull the TheraBand towards the external fixation device and choose which level it will be tied to based upon the patient's tolerance. Lastly, place one of these schedules in the patient's room and educate them on their wear time schedule of on for 2 hours and off for 2 hours. Be sure to document and create a goal.